Hey cheaties, it's Rachel. What's so cheat today? Right now, it is time for some more of the 7 Fates Shaka. It's been so explosive and a roller coaster of a storyline already. I'm so excited to meet more of the characters, but also just to find out what happens next. They always leave us on a cliffhanger. So in episode 5, it was crazy. We got to see more of Do-gyeon's story and how the evil bombs literally killed his close friends, which were basically like family. It was his team. And then at the end of it, we got in a little storyline again with Haru and also Zeha. So I feel like in this episode, maybe this is where Zeha, Haru, and also Do-gyeon actually end up getting together. Dangerous bombs were coming onto the world, and Do-gyeon also needed help. I feel like they're all vibing in that type of way, and I can't wait to see more. Also, I want Haru to start training Zeha. Anyways, guys, we're here for episode 6 of the 7 Chakos. Let's get it. It's time to face the Chakos. So warning, this episode contains depictions of violence that may be upsetting for some readers. I think the last couple episodes had this warning too, because they have been pretty intense and graphic. But anyways, I really hope you guys are enjoying me reading this live, and also me re-uploading it and adding some extra little sound effects for you guys. But anyways, let's get it for episode 6. Come on! Oh yeah, I also remember that those 2 evil bombs came down, and they were kind of cute but evil at the same time. Oh, let's go. We don't have much left. Oh, these are the ones. Well, that should be more than enough to kill him. No. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, they literally blew up the entire bridge. Oh no. What the? I made it alive? His glasses have cracked. No. At least he's alive. My body. Oh no. Whose hand is that? Kyung-soo? Oh! Oh no! He's literally crushed by a rock. You know Do-gyeon is really feeling some type of anger right now. Holy moly. Oh. Grab that gun and shoot those bombs. I'm going to exterminate every single one of those bombs out there. Oh, yes, you are. Oh. Look at Do-gyeon. Let's go. Oh, yes. Episode 6. Let's begin. 3 months later. Oh my goodness, 3 months later, and it's still just chaos. District 3, Sin C. Come on. This is completely different from Intel. Ooh. No one told me bullets and blades don't work on them. Oh my goodness, who is this? Hey, I thought you were hunting us. Oh my goodness, this one's got 4 eyes. But I can't tell who the real hunter is. Oh my gosh, these bombs love like taking the mick out of people. Let me show you how it's really done. Watch and learn. Oh. Oh. Huh? Oh. Oh my gosh, let's go say hi and Hannah. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, he be slicing them up. Let's go. I can't believe you let a mere human get to you. Serves you right for putting your guard down. Don't rub it in my face. We'll take it from here. Get to safety. Thank you! Oh, they saved this poor human. Oh my goodness. I really did it. Yes, you did say ha. I actually hurt a bomb. Oh my gosh. This is Harry's training. I know it. So this is what it feels like to cut through flesh. It feels totally different from firing a gun. So now he knows that the sword is for him and not the guns. Oh yeah, he found it. All of my senses are concentrated on my fingertips, where his claws are. Calm yourself. Being nervous will hinder your performance. Take a deep breath and look closely. They're low-grade bomb. 3 months ago, you couldn't even leave a scratch on them. But now, you have the power to fight against them. Don't forget why you're fighting the bomb. Oh, Hannah, keeping him grounded even though he's an angel? Oh. The reason I'm fighting them? Oh. Wow. Oh, look at their claws. Let's go. Oh. Oh, they're coming. He's literally got fire in his eyes. He's ready to kill some bomb. Yes! Look at this. The 12s. You are no match for Zeha. He took them down in the blink of an eye. I've never fought a human stronger than myself before. I must report this to Balti right away. Oh, they obviously know that Zeha is like beyond powerful and they need to tell Balti. Off he goes. Zeha? I know. Is that a bullet? Dogyo? Did the bomb just explode? I didn't know there were still people in District 3. I'm sorry I scared you. Who are you? Oh my goodness, this is the meet-up that we've been waiting for. Dogyeon is in the house. He's in District 3. I don't see the point in sharing names in this chaos, but I'm Dogyeon. Let's go. How cool does he look? Oh my gosh. He's even got the shape of RM's eyes. I love it. What about you two? Oh, I like. You smell like a bomb. Don't do it. Are you really a human? Oh! Oh my goodness, I almost just broke my chair. Oh my goodness. Guys, I am so excited right now because it's time for some more of the 7 Fates Chakos. And we are on episode 7. I remember at the last episode, right at the end, Haru, Zeha, and Dogyeon end up coming together, and Dogyeon sniffs Zeha and he's like, you smell like a bomb. So holy moly, I really don't know what is going to happen next after that. I have a big feeling that of course Dogyeon won't actually end up killing Zeha or anything, or that will literally ruin the story. But either way, it is tense right now because if he be smelling like a bomb, then clearly he could just be a bomb in disguise. But anyways guys, there is no more time to waste. Let's get it. You smell like a bomb. Oh my gosh, yes, and Zeha ends up finding a sword, doesn't he? And he realizes that this feels more empowering than the guns do to him. So clearly this sword was made for him. Are you really a human? What are you talking about? Oh no, Zeha, you're okay. Episode 7. This is tense. Ooh. Am I not considered a human? And with that, you were born to your bomb father and human mother. So now he's gonna know he's almost like an outcast. No, to be exact, your mother was from the Gong tribe. How should I explain this? How could you explain this in a life and death situation? What a sinister object you carry. I assure you, we are nothing more than just hunters who slay the boom. Oh, Haru, coming in with that magical touch. It is only natural for their scent to seep into our clothing during the hunt. Clever. Haru. You too are bomb hunters? It doesn't look like you own a gun of any sort. Did you slay the bomb with that sword? Well, here's a question for you if you're fellow hunters. Have you ever seen or heard of a bomb named Maro or Bulti? We are aware of a bomb named Hupo, but those names most certainly do not ring a bell. Is that so? Then let me give you a tip as a token of apology for holding you at gunpoint. Aww. You better watch out for the 2 bomb I just mentioned. Yeah, they're evil. They're nothing like this weakling. Both of them are powerful and can even shapeshift into humans. Oh yeah, that clearly shows that they're more powerful because these ones are showing their true bomb cells, but the other ones can actually transform into humans. That's scary. Anyway, I'm taking what I killed. Till we meet again, if all of us stay alive, that is. Please stay alive. Oh my goodness, don't even get me started about that song again. Looks like he's chasing after a specific bomb as well. We should hurry along before the sun sets. Weapon exchange? Do you see this, Haru? It's a 100 million won. I'd never thought there would be a day I'd make this much money. Wow, How many zeros are there? 100 million what? Oh my gosh. It is still not half enough to procure a decent sword. Ooh. About 83,800 US dollars, about 41,900 US dollars. The bounty on each bomb's head is 50 million won. Ever since Hwan Woong announced to reward those who hunt the bomb, more and more people became full-time bomb hunters. Oh, that makes so much sense, because if that happened in the real life, generally, if there was that much money on the line, so many people would almost sacrifice their lives to do anything to achieve that. That is a lot of money. Ooh, oh, so the weapon exchange, everyone is picking up new weapons and trying to hunt the bomb. Naturally, the number of shops that sold weaponry and defensive items also increased. True, this shoddy sword was the best one I could get with 100 million won. The good ones go well over 400 to 500 million won. About 335,200. Wow! That's expensive. Take a look at your sword. It is already at the brink of breaking after hunting 3 bomb. Fight another one and it will most certainly break. Yeah, you're right. He's like, damn it. We just received news that a museum was attacked, leaving several visitors and staff dead. Oh no! I can't believe that a museum was attacked. That's it! Huh? We need to have that. Oh, they need to get this bomb. Or they're looking at a weapon. You mean that news anchor? Do you plan to kidnap them? What? Haru? No! You are looking at the wrong place. I'm talking about the sword. The sword of the ancient age? Why? The sword I have may be chipped, but it still looks sturdier than that one. Oh, it's not about how sturdy it is. We all know the ancient swords, the ancient things are always the best. Let us go, Zeha! Hurry! Are you sure that's the one? We'll end up behind bars if we get caught stealing it. That looks like, you know, Elder Wand type of vibes. That sword belongs to us. What? Not everything we want. No, you want is ours. Save your breath and lead the way now. Haru, you really need to learn how we humans work. Okay, sorry, I got mixed up with that. Whoosh. Oh my gosh, Haru is actually getting them to steal this sword. But Haru knows that this is going to be the thing that's going to help them. So just go with it. Uh-oh. Gosh. Oh no. We're out of ammo. This must be the end of us. You didn't have to say that out loud. There are too many bombs now compared to 3 months ago. Oh no, I'm scared. Weird. We've been confronting those bombs for almost an hour now, but there's no sign of the police or army coming to help. Army! We're coming. Oh, you're right. Something's going on in Cincy, that's for sure. If we can just make it out of here. Oh no, they're literally stuck in this mall full of bombs. I don't know, if I was in this situation, I don't think I'd become a bomb hunter. It's just too scary. Would you? It's nice here with no one around. Zeha let us canvass the area and take anything that seems useful. Hey, We're not in a buffet where we can take whatever we want. I hear voices. Are they humans? I guess burglars never miss a chance, even in times like this. For them, now is the perfect opportunity. I have no idea how many times thieves are out there stealing and robbing others with the weapons they bought by pretending to be bomb hunters. Oh my gosh. True, but we'll live thanks to them. The sword of the ancient age. Ooh! Oh, here it is. Oh my goodness. Like, it doesn't look sharp or anything, but you just know that that has some like ancient power inside it. What's that noise? The bomb are coming! I can manage 1 or 2 bomb just fine. He's getting the sword out. Oh! That is not 1 or 2 bomb. Oh my goodness, look at this big head one. Holy moly. Oh, Haru coming in with some powers. Oh my goodness. It's like a net. Oh my gosh, I'm impressed. Dashi, run! Uh-oh. 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 It's cracked. Oh no! My sword! Oh no! Oh no! Get that sword now. I can't believe all I have is this ancient sword. You have no idea. You have no idea. I don't know how long it'll last. But please hold out until I save him. Oh my god. You got this. Haru, I'm coming to save. The banana. Oh my goodness. The magic is coming. The magic is coming. What's happening? Dun-dun. Oh! It's like the sword in the stone. You know Zehar was meant to be holding this sword. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Another cliffhanger! Holy moly, the next episode is going to be insane. The fact that Zehar has no belief in this ancient sword, because it does look like it's one shot, literally. It looks like it's on its last limb, but holy moly, he's clearly held on to this, and because he is half bomb, half human, it was almost meant to be, and you can just tell by this scene. Next episode, he is about to unleash some power. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting!